Cave. Cave. Is this the cave? Oh, sweet Jesus.
Oh God. Oh.
I'm going
God.
the wrong fucking way. I can't
Literally
see.
can't see anything.
I just don't want to go towards that.
That doesn't seem right.
I don't even know. Alright, I'm crouching.
Okay, so don't go left, go right. Follow the light.
I don't even... Look, I'm gonna try to sneak, but I honestly don't...
I don't think sneaking is gonna help.
Well, running didn't work.
Well, I mean, the first time you just walked into it, like...
Yeah, because that's a damn good lure. I was like, oh, light. Light is safety. Oh, fuck. That was probably... Like, that didn't scare me as bad as...
Oh.
But I have to go...
Take a wide route, brother. Swing it wide.
Oh, fuck. I don't...
This is what I imagine the inside of, like, a Dairy Queen Blizzard is.
No, this is what happens when they flip it upside down. That's why they're...
Like, if you got shrunk and dropped into a fucking vanilla Blizzard from fucking Dairy Queen, this is what happens inside of it.
Thank you for today's sponsor.
Use our promo code Billy Crunk.
Get 0% off your next order.
Right. Ooh, he disappeared. That's convenient.
Yeah, I think just when I see him,
You scared him.
I just gotta back up. He's like, I'm gonna leave now and get me a Blizzard from the Dairy Queen. That sounds good. I don't want to eat your body when I have the delicious sensation of Oreo, fucking, Wendy's shit.
Good take. We'll fix it in post.
I don't need to eat your body when I have the delicious taste of Dairy Queen's new Oreo frozen Dunkin' Sunk Blizzard.
To your left.
I'm trying to see.
I don't know what that is.
That's a living creature, and I am out of here.
That's not a creature, bro.
It's moving.
It's not. It's not moving.
Is that not two eyes and a mouth? It looks like a giant... You know what? I'm out of here. Fuck that. Ain't touching that with 10-foot pole. Okay, for the love of God, where am I? This better be Tau and not the observatory. Because if this is the observatory, we still have a long way to go before Tau.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Okay. What? I don't know why my light flickered. I didn't do that.
Never been happier to be inside. Let's find the Ark.
Simon, you really need to learn how to shut the fuck up. Dive room? Oh, find the Ark. Oh, so we are in
Yeah,
Tau.
so you're
Thank God.
in the right spot.
Welcome to Tau. What's left of it.
You guys all right? What happened here?
We ran out of real food long ago. People have been getting sick. Haven't heard from anyone in months.
No shit, they all think you're dead down here. Some failed evac story circulating at Omicron.
Oh, God.
Listen, son. We're on an important mission, and we need your help to operate the Omega Space Gun. When it's done, we can all
What the
head
fuck?
back
The
to
Omega
Plateau.
Space
But
Gun.
now we need to get moving.
Of course. Head on through to the habitat. We shut off the front section to preserve power.
All right. See you soon.
All right, see you soon.
Omega Space Gun is a phrase that goes hard as fuck. Okay. Contestant number 4, get fucked. Alright, come on. What's this? Anything? Oh, it is something. Active. Oh no. Someone's still running around.
Someone's got the suit.
Ross? You think it's... I think it's Ross. It's probably Ross.
J. Ross, yeah, it's right there.
That was...
Jimothy Ross.
26th of December.
Wait, no, it's Yoshida. That's the last one.
April. Yeah.
2104.
Ooh, look at this one. The day before.
Yeah,
it just
4
says...
sub J wow R. What the fuck does that mean?
Okay. Oh, that's what I was at. Tracking. Okay, we're in Tau.
So it's at Omicron. It's in one of 2 spots?
The suit?
Oh, no, it's moved.
Okay. Strange.
It's very strange.
The Omni tool thing popped up at the bottom. I'm not sure what that meant.
A butthole.
Oh, it's because I accidentally hit my inventory. Nope. Charging up before whatever goes down goes down. Maintenance can't get in there.
Feels like something's happening, but I'm
Yep.
not sure what.
Yep, that's why I just hid. Damn it, bro. I keep hitting E to activate things, but it's the freaking this shit that we don't use.
Are you crouched?
Yes.
Okay. Like, something's weird.
J-Bill, you got Willy Whittle. You got Willy Whittle from the Reason Bill. Okay, we're here.
Where are you supposed to get? What are those red pluses?
That's what I'm worried about. Maintenance, labs. Hang on now.
I think you have to go through the yellow ones. And the red ones are going to be closed. So you got to go make a loop.
Yeah, this is closed, but this is disconnected. And so is this. Fuck.
Maybe there's a bridge? I don't fucking know.
I don't trust this
Promising.
tiny hallway for some
I see
reason.
nothing wrong with this.
Like, it's weird, right?
Nah, it looks totally fine to me.
Even less so than the last.
Nah, it looks good.
It's like going to the eye doctor. 1 or 2? Let's go back to 1. Watch this. Okay, alright, that's better. I was gonna say, watch this be the worst one. Ooh, creepy door. Oh, I hear wet slaps.
Wet slaps mean dripping goop. Give me the goop.
Give me the goop. Give me the goop. Give me the goop so I'll hop in the coop. Oh my god, this is taking forever. Yep. I hear breathing.
Oh, he right there.
He don't know. He don't know me.
Oh no.
He don't know me, bro.
Oh no.
It's just a pipe.
Oh shit!
That scared me worse than anything in this session so far. I was like, I'm trapped. Oh, fuck! This is gonna take forever.
Maybe you can reason with him.
I mean, I'm already at crotch level, so.
Oh, you're right there, go.
Last one, come on! Don't sprint. As long as he doesn't sprint, I'm not gonna turn around.
Oh my god!
I'm not turning
fuck
around.
this door, dude.
I know.
Fuck this fucking door.
I thought I could thug it out.
Well, he's wearing the suit. Must have been Mr. Yoshida.
Oh, it's open. Is it?
Limp your fucking way through, brother. Oh, you're fucked.
No.
Oh, he's there, brother.
Oh yeah.
He's there, brother.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Yep. Close.
Fucking click it, god damn it!
It's because I was crouched.
My anxiety's through the fucking roof.
Dear God.
Oh, fuck.
Okay. I do like that. I do like that about this game where it's like, oh, you were waiting 35 fucking seconds for the door to open? Oh, when you wake back up, it'll be open. You'll be right where you were when you died. It is forgiving in that sense. I'll give it that.
I ain't giving it shit.
All right, there's a butthole. Is there a vending machine?
Yo, Ross is telepathic.
Trying to swallow me up, bro.
Bro's
Infirmary,
fucking telepathic.
bathroom.
What the fuck?
What?
He was there. Ross was there. You didn't see that?
No, I didn't see him.
Oh my god.
You're seeing shit, bro. That ain't
No,
right.
bro, I swear to God.
Swear me. You saw Batman. No, I didn't see. Is Ross a good guy?
I don't know.
Oh, lit. What? Was I supposed to press that before? Damn it.
Okay, Ross. We get it.
Are all of these ladders? No. Okay. I just didn't want to go up there and not at least check out the other ones.
There's a people in the beds. See.
Alexi. Why is that name familiar?
What's your dog's name?
Okay. Fucking thank you.
Oh, that's Catherine.
Oh, I thought I was gonna get to pull a blanket down.
What the fuck did we do?
Hey, try not to think about it.
My whole life, I've been a good man. We messed up, Sarah.
Yeah, I'm thinking Catherine's the bad guy.
I should have launched. Taken the chance.
There's time. If Ashkin says we could try again, when things calm down.
You gotta do it, you know. You got to.
Ew, it's got like tentacle fingers.
Fucking sick, dude.
Leoshki. Okay, it's just listing off names of the other crew members. I'm I'm still not convinced Catherine is the bad guy. I mean, because he was holding on to that.
Why are people dead in their bed with their faces covered?
Because someone
What killed them?
Someone was alive. Well,
Can't we do anything for him?
No, we're out of sedatives. If we had a gun, this would be the time to pull it out.
So he's like infected with something.
Did not expect it to end like this. Should have jumped the climber back to Omicron.
Without the Ark.
Forget about the Ark.
No, you don't get to say that. It's the only thing left of value. You know that.
Yeah.
Promise you won't leave it behind.
Well, I'll be dead one day. Then what?
Well, better keep it safe until then. Don't want the wow to take it, swallow it whole. I'm sorry, Catherine. It's okay, Ian. Just let it out. Let it all out.
I am confusion.
I do not know. Oh. Is this my...
Yo, that's a larva.
Fuck away from me. You're weird, bro.
He's in a larva.
Oh, my gosh.
He will be a beautiful butterfly soon.
I think that means that one's an enemy.
There's nothing here.
Oh, this is Ross's room. Johan. What? It was
It's
just
remotely locked.
storage. Oh my gosh. Fuel.
Creepy, crawly, goopy.
Ain't nothing here. Stop, Ross. Down, boy.
I can't wait till we finish this fucking game so I can look up an explanation of this fucking game.
Alright, well, I guess that's it. Yeah, if I had gone up here, we would have missed all the lore.
I've been confused for 10 hours straight.
It's because we've been playing this over the course of like 2 months
I
because
think
our
if we
lives
played
are
it all the way through, it's still... I wouldn't...
Way, wow. Not letting you or your stupid pets inside.
Oh, that's
alive.
That's a real person. Hang on. Nothing. Okay. There's fall damage. Whack.
There shouldn't be any damage. You're not alive.
Oh, I'm sorry. Could my servos not take that shit? Oh, dispatch. And dive room. Or
Wet slaps.
alright, save that for last.
Dispatch, we got a 2319.
2319. Oh. Intermediate wet storage.
This is where we put all the wet.
Hang on, there's a footpath. I also don't know where the fuck we're at or what any of this means.
I can't read cursive.
I'm trying to remember the button. There we go.
I can read the bottom. It says we're fucked.
Alright, post-impact notes. January 12th, minor structural damage, radio knocked out. January 17th, communications recovered. Omicron and the rest of Pathos 2 are alright. April 3rd, cross-site radio failings. Lumar probes keep losing the link. Urgent fix needed. Tau can't retrieve the climber until the link is working. April 11th, visit by SSE Wolchesk Dahl and Holland. System of bi-weekly visits established until communications Lumar back at 100%. September 13th, evacuation of Tau ordered. We're all leaving for Omicron. September 15th, swarmed by monsters. No radio, we're fucked. Sick. Sick, nasty. Ah. Okay.
Yeah, that's Ross's. Oh, it's got a code.
Yeah, Ross's is the one with the code. Unless.
Try 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, there it is.
You're
Hit
so,
okay.
You're so fucking smart.
I know, dude. It's incredible. It sometimes it scares myself, honestly.
You gave it the verbal confirmation, so it's self-inputted. It's a 2-stage trigger.
Mm-hmm. And I knew that. Yeah.
All right, hang on. But what if when I open this door, it's just him inside and he's just
Stroking it.
just going down on his
Stroking
hog.
that thing.
Oh, whack. I mean, oh, thank God.
Ah, yes, the butthole. Excellent.
uh,
Oh, the buttholes are jellyfish?
no way.
Look at the bottom. There's a little jellyfish in the bottom of the page.
This is a drawing of a schizophrenic. You're trying to tell me this makes sense to you?
Well, I mean, all that other stuff is...
The anglerfish make trees? Is that what I'm seeing here? What does this mean to you? I see the kind of looks like anglerfish at the bottom and then a tree, so you tell me.
It looks to me like fucking gross shit.
God, I really wish the American education system hadn't failed me so I could read cursive. They stopped teaching that shit like the year before I got to that grade.
iPad 35.
I was hoping to see Omicron today. The evacuation ordered by the people of Theta was a gift and excuse to leave Alpha and abandon the WoW. As the storm cleared, we were swarmed by monsters that the WoW had facilitated. We were ambushed and forced back towards Tau, Glasser, Kovsky, and Kotzi, and I survived. Eau Claire is in the infirmary, but it doesn't look good. Kotzi made a run for it to check observation for anything resembling food. Going outside is beyond dangerous. It's like going to buy cigarettes in a hurricane.
Nice.
She came back and she had some crumbs with her. We all knew it was empty. I think she just wanted a chance to die without carrying the responsibility of taking it herself. Where did she find crumbs? People from the plateau showed up. It was a group of engineers from Theta telling us that they wanted to use the Omega space gun to launch something called the Ark. It's an artificial world that carries brain scans made from people working in Pathos 2. The idea is silly but endearing. We all agreed to do a scan so we could take part in this afterlife. Some of the engineers returned from Phi. Apparently they postponed the Ark launch. They were all in a very foul mood and difficult to get any straight answers from, except for one very important thing. They all wished to remain at Tau to figure this Ark business out. But they had scheduled for the climber to pick them up tomorrow. Someone would need to catch that climber to alert Omicron to what was happening. Luckily, Glasser and I were able to take on this position. I will finally get to warn Dahl and Sarang about the critical situation at Site Alpha. Okay, I thought I was tripping, but there actually is 2-2. Okay. Oh my God, this shit takes so long.
Yeah, well, just don't.
Okay, no, you're right.
Fucking cares.
No one's gonna watch it. Look it up on YouTube if you want to fucking see that shit. Ross was a little man.
He was a very small guy.
The evil genius.
What's that shit on the bed? Ah, yes.
Sus.
Algebra. My favorite of all of the maths.
Yep, this makes sense to me. Yep. Oh, of course.
Yes, duh, of course. How could we not have seen it? Or at least expected it?
Do you still need to go watch a video breakdown? Or
Oh, God, I feel like such an idiot.
Does it make sense to you now?
The solution was so simple.
It just had to be translated to I heed you brain. My word. You look so lovely.
You're different.
Fuck yeah, baby. Put the shit on my wrist.
Go ahead. Make yourself at home.
Are you human?
Sarah Lindwall. Payload technician at your service. A rare sight, am I right?
I'd say so. You're the first normal living human I've seen.
There's not many left down here. Most of them are up on the plateau.
You mean at Omicron?
Yeah,
There's no one alive at Omicron.
you've been there?
I've been all over. The power plant at Upsilon, the ruins of Lambda, the abandoned Delta, Theta.
You've been to Theta?
There's not a lot left of Pathos 2.
And I'm the only living person you've met? You mean I'm the last living human on the planet?
You won!
I'm sorry.
Who are
Victory
you again?
Royale.
Simon J.
Yeah.
Nowhere.
She just starts
I used to
hitting the
work
gritty.
with Long story.
Then what the hell are you doing here?
I'm trying to find the Ark.
Why would you? How do you know about that?
I've heard it's the last hope for mankind.
Damn right it is. Now what do you want with it?
Take it to the Gun at Phi. Launch it into space.
He's right there.
That was the plan, all right. I've been guarding it ever since we brought it back to Tau.
Guarding it? What the fuck are you gonna do, bitch?
Couldn't bring myself to let go. Tell you the truth, I don't have the strength to argue. And I certainly don't have the time to wait for the next sentient thing shuffling through here.
Nah, bro. She got bony hands. That shit would hurt. She hits you.
Go ahead.
Bro, she punched with the force of a newborn.
Thank you.
You ever been hit by a newborn? They don't know their own strength. I'll tell you that.
Do anything for you?
No, I'm saying, you look lonely. Oh,
You could kill me.
Good one.
damn.
I'm glad you came by. Good to get this over with.
You could kill me. Glad you have a sense of humor.
I think you can actually kill her.
If I knew you would come,
She's gonna be the one person I don't kill.
place
Check
up
me
a
out.
little bit.
That's cruel, bro. You gonna get the worst ending. The way you played, they're gonna put you on the fucking FBI list.
It's crazy.
Like, yeah, everyone who gets this achievement also gets put on a list.
I'm trying to see what else she has to say.
You serious about me killing you?
Oh, I thought you
No.
were joking.
Love to hang around here until I dry up to the size of a raisin.
She said
Oh,
no.
she wasn't serious.
Simon, this fucking sucks.
Brr.
Shit, bitch. Get some water. All right. So she was joking, but she doesn't want to live like this.
Shouldn't we be doing something to keep you alive?
Why?
Oh, I can
You're
keep
the
reasoning
last
with her.
Human. I just find it disrespectful to our entire history not to fight this. Sure, we have the Ark, but you're the real deal.
Thanks. That's probably the best compliment I've ever got.
God, that's fucking rough.
Simon knows how to
Truth
talk to a
is
woman.
That the Ark is all we have. We'll have to accept second best. You know,
None of this feels right.
Simon, I want to die.
Oh,
Sarah.
Just think
thank you for
about it.
putting it plainly. Okay, but what if?
Don't let me down.
All right, but
Okay,
what if?
but-
Go save humanity. What's left of it.
I wonder if I keep doing this enough, she'll just start screaming at me.
Knock it out of the park. Go ahead. Go save humanity. What's left of it. Knock it out of the park.
Okay, all right,
Okay,
yeah, all right. Hang on. What's it? Oh, it's. Hang on, can I set this shit down?
Be my guest. I got no secrets worth keeping.
Space gun is unlocked. Okay.
Looks like you're good to go.
Oh,
bro.
I think I would have been able to unlock Ross's room if I hadn't.
If I hadn't told you the code.
Yeah, for sure. Ooh, aren't you just fucking cool? Oh, nerd. Oh, she bad.
That's Catherine, probably.
No, that's my OG girlfriend, which is bound to pop up again eventually. Hang on, Lindwall. Gotta read. Just keep me company for a minute, okay? The fuck, I've been lonely. All I got is this sadistic bitch on a fucking hard drive in my pocket. Emergency food. A thorough look at what common chemicals and compounds found in Pathos 2 could keep you alive in emergency situations. A manual on how to keep unconscious or comatose colleagues fed through intravenous drip. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Alright, Q. Methods on how to make room for additional payload after the casing has been constructed and left Delta. Catherine.
Bro, there's so much to fucking discover in this game through this shit. And every time you discover something, we have no fucking revelation from it. It's fucking useless every time.
Hang on. What? Damn.
Like, turn it on, turn it up. Like,
You're extra alive,
shit
bitch.
like it's better.
She's just like, oh shit. I was tripping,
like,
dude.
you had this on normal. I put it on extra.
Would you stay with me, please? It won't be long now. Just, please, just stay.
Damn. Like,
Damn, I got shit to do.
What a crazy thing this was.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? Mm-hmm.
damn, that's crazy.
That's
Mom.
crazy.
So, like,
to turn 30. Hooray.
what you trying to do
She's in her 20s.
in the time you got left?
That bitch is in her
I could've died
20s.
at home with my friends.
Instead, you're the last one alive at the bottom of the ocean.
You ever been to Greenland? It's very beautiful.
I'm colorblind.
Bro, I'm literally a dead body in a
Well, at
spacesuit.
least when you get out of the city. Nanook is busy, and yes, there's like 12 million people trying to get around, but it's a great,
Well, there's no one left, so it wouldn't be that busy.
or rather, it was a great place before the comet ended it all.
You don't want to talk anything cheery?
You know what? I prefer it this way.
What? Dead? Dying?
Can I turn it
I
back
liked
on?
Pathos. Liked my colleagues. Ian, Nick, Jasper, even Catherine. People thought she was weird because she was quiet.
She just stabbed her
Catherine.
leg.
Wait, she says she's talking about Catherine.
Simon, you're still there?
Oh, she can't
I'm
see
here,
me.
Sarah.
Don't let him die, okay? Send them out there. To the stars.
The black box is inactive. Probably found a way to switch it off.
Great.
What if when she died, she just
Right.
Gary's mod ragdolled through the fucking wall? Just break the entire illusion. Okay. Well, I got this. Now where do I go?
It made like the Counter-Strike hit noise when you hit someone. Like,
Just a Minecraft villager. Death isn't funny. But in this case, that should be hilarious. Alright.
if I worked that fucking hard to get that thing, I wouldn't let it leave my fucking sight.
For real, right? Okay. Alright, so I can go
You want to go
Dive
to
room.
the common room, right?
Dive room.
No, you have to send it there. You didn't send it there.
No, I can't send it there. It just lifts it. It doesn't send it. I have to call it in the next spot. Nope. Fuck off. I heard the enemy for a second. Was not about to deal with that. Open up this door. It's just like 15 people having a big ass party, plenty of food and booze and shit. Like, hey man.